You're my daughter. Why would I not film you? Okay, guys. So we're at the wharf. We just got here. This is the district wharf, and this is my familia. So I'm just taking them here to look around and see what we can find to do. Let's go to kids. Jesus Christ, I almost injured. Woohoo!
Back foot.
You want to swing? You don't want nothing. Swing. So one open there. So shake it up. Take that one there.
I was like hyped on the line. I tried here, but I didn't land.
Mommy, go and go swing. Let me take a picture. Hello. Go and go swing.
Go back with that.
Swing, mama, swing. Swing, mama, swing.
Hey. Watch it, watch it. No, you kind of, go fast.
You're not supposed to go fast. It's a relaxing thing. Swing, mama, swing.
TJ.
Son, want to swing.
That's not so.
So if you swing yourself,
Exactly.
we have to put them back.
That's a
Swing me and Maya and we can see what you swing.
Jump with that.
Put your toe on ground, mommy. When I reach back, I put your toe on
You don't
ground.
know how to swing?
No. Grayson, go swing with Maya.
You know how to swing?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Swing, Maya, swing. Watch out. Not a Grayson, the different.
Let me try. Let me try. They're really
Get up.
bad at this.
You know what? It's like a cutlass. Wait till me go in there and show how it's done. Sons are not different. Sons are not different.
Maya. Please, just go.
I'm just so sad to see everyone on their own. Ready?
Please, you. That one says something really nice and cute.
Whee! Mommy, look. When they reach back, you put it to a ground. Push.
Okay.
Push. Bring your knees back. Push. Knees back. Push.
That's okay. You will hear the
And if you are doing it, you're not going to drop out.
Exactly.
Right. Once you move, your bottom stay. But if
And
you
you can hold on like this.
exactly. Yeah, hold on for the back if you want. But you're comfortable, so you hold on.
Hey, it's one of weird. Airplane.
Yeah, you put there. That's the one where you go. This is about 3 years ago.
Okay.
But they're expensive, obviously. They're not this is expensive.
Where's the one
TJ, wanna come?
TJ.
TJ. stop. I'm gonna do it one time. You say I'm gonna just push, just stop. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go, baby.
DJ, hold on for my shirt. You can feel him tense up. You can hear him tell you.
Yo, where's that going from my titty? Whee!
My hair. It's like scary.
Relaxing one, so. TJ. Man, looking at this all day. I'm not ready because I'm probably bored, but me and Maya have fun. Me and Maya and TJ have fun, but I'm probably bored. I could do this all day. It's so relaxing for me. TJ is free. Hold on for Maya hearing. Relax. Relax now. But that the one that you probably feel more secure because you sit on something like chair.
Yeah.
They know then they enjoy them.
Are we in practice?
Okay.
Away from what?
Just enjoyment for come out with so
Yeah, just like if you want to get out that house, you just consider with the perfect can go to a restaurant, restart
okay.
there. It's straight down the south. You
What
want
a taxi.
the boat ride. It's literally a taxi. You carry people, if you carry people from here to go over Alexandria. But a lot of people like ourselves, like tourists, just pay to go on it as boat ride. Because you go over there and you come back.
Alexandria.
Alexandria, yeah.
It's like you're there, so now you're
Come back. You go over there and come back.
Alexandria.
Yes. That's like a Virginia. Oh yeah. Cafe del Mar. Cafe del Mar. Del Mar. They call him Mr. Del Mar. Done.
No, mi vida.
Oh, my vida. La vida. La ve.
Mi vida.
Where they?
Oh my God, it's straight ahead.
Then the la
Big
ve.
red words. That's M.
Oh, the top one, me that look one. La vie. La ve. La ve. TJ, put it back. Put it back. Put it back.
Look, here goes John.
It's like a leash.
Another time.
Somehow, we don't know what happened, but
Yeah, blew something about him.
Having fun, baby?
No! You see her? I'm out, you want to put penny now.
Hey. Bye. That's
So guys, we are taking a trip on the water taxi. It's a taxi because a lot of people travel on it to go to their destination. But people like myself, we just do like joyride. So they do like a round trip. So you get on it here, it takes you like 45 minutes away and it takes you back. So that's a round trip. So that's what we were doing. So yeah. Alright, what's one number? Go over. I'm telling you for left seat, you want to make it seat again. So guys, my mom, she's afraid of the ride. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. My lip is so damaged. Anyway, so she's afraid of the ride, so she made sure to get a seat in the middle. And we're sitting right at the we're sitting right by the side rail, and she's like, do you guys think you should sit right there? Yes. Yes, the best view. And look at TJ.
You're just laughing. You're just laughing. You're just laughing. You're just vibing.
Hurry and sit down, please. You can see everything by sitting.
What's taking them so long?
What time now, Shama?
7:15.
Okay. Well, I'm see them a lucky door now.
Exactly 7:15. No, 7:16.
So then I have to wait for people who pay for their ride. You want to left people?
Finally.
DJ's like
TJ, you will fall. Why are you doing that?
telling us all about it. DJ. That's what you would like to have?
No.
That was stand up one day.
Yeah, that's too scary for me. If you want to die, you can.
office people. They on that day, see them?
They're waving at us.
That's the city cruiser that they keep me party when I Mr. Edwards always talk about.
He's been on them.
Yeah. Like y'all never been here.
Yes, we did. Oh, it doesn't have a giant soda. It's a boat on a giant soda. But there's no pirate on the ship. It's just a pirate ship. Did you float 20?
So guys, now we're at the National Harbor. I'm gonna bring them here one day, so that's another vlog. Look out for that one, and if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Right beside me here to my left is a Ferris wheel, and I know that these kids are gonna love it, so we're definitely coming back another day. Okay guys, so we are back at the wharf. So as I said, it was a round trip, so we took the boat ride to the National Harbor and back. So, and we made a stop in Alexandria too and back. So we are now back at the wharf, and I don't know what they're gonna do yet, but I know for sure that we'll be heading home soon. TJ's asleep. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Just keep on watching, okay?
Thanks for watching.
How was the boat ride?
It was delicious. It's like a plate of food.
Oh,
It's like a plate of food. Nice cooking food.
It was good.
Yeah, it was
Would you
very
do it
good.
again?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
No. No scared. No.
No, I'm pee-pee. But no. Are you going to sit down and miggle?
Yeah, I don't like to look out of the ocean.
No ocean, it's a river.
I don't like to look at night.
Okay, Mom, I hear you.
So, but away from that, all right.
Okay.
It was good. Thank you very much.
All right, Mom, you're welcome. Anna,
Santi,
how was your trip?
it was great.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, I
Did you like it?
It was the best thing ever. I went on the plane ride.
Are we from the what?
Plane ride.
Okay.
Remember you said it was the
Yes.
best thing, but
This take over. Okay, were you scared? No?
no.
Rayan, how was the ride? How was the boat ride?
Worse, but not worse. Great.
It was great, worse but not worse. Great. I don't understand.
It was great.
It was great.
Yeah.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
No.
Were you scared?
First.
Huh? Were you scared?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. We are home. Yes, guys, we are home. Just got home. Well, not just, because we got home and we had some food. I did not buy anything to eat out because my mama, honey, she made us a whole pot of food before we left. So we ate right before we left. So I know that there's food here, so I didn't buy anything out. We just came right back and eat our food that mama made. So, and now I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. As I said, I showed in the video I mentioned the National Harbor where we went, and I said I'm going to do another video another day of us going there or being there, doing all the activities that are down there. So make sure that you subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to see that vlog and all the other ones that are coming. But anyways, with that being said, you guys have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is where you are. Make it a great day or a great night, and I'll see you guys in my next video.